Hello everyone, this is Eduardo with Indie Web Design, and in this video I'd like to show you how to make some changes to the website. To begin with, this is a WordPress website and it's built with WordPress Bakery. The website is made up of several elements. Some are called just global elements, which is the header and the footer, and then the rest is just the content, the body. So to make changes to the header, you have to first log in to the website. As an administrator, you have to go through, hover over the title of the page. Here you will see it says menu. So in this case, I'm just gonna right click on my mouse, open a new window. And the reason for this is because I want to be able to show you on the screen how to make a change, and I want to be able to refresh the page so you can see the change. So right now we're looking at the footer menu, which is this one right here, but we're going to be looking at the header, so we're going to be making changes. Now keep in mind that all websites are different, or WordPress websites are different. So this one was built this way, so there are some limitations as to what you want to do. So but for this video I just want to edit this area, which is the navigation. So the first change I want to make is I want to rename this page. It says contact us, but I don't want it to be contact us. So first I'm gonna find the right menu, which is the main menu in this case, and I'm gonna select it. Then as you can see, here are all the options that are here. So this is the main navigation, and these are sub menu items. So I'm just gonna rename it. For now I'm just gonna, it says contact us, and I'm gonna rename it as contact us today. Then I'm gonna save the changes. It says that the menu was updated. It says right here, menu has been updated. So I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh, and as you can see right now it says contact us today. The next thing is I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna just remove, undo the change we made. I'm gonna save the change. Just gonna do it again, and as you can see it says contact us. The next step I want to do is I want to edit the footer. The footer is known as a global element, and the reason for that is because most websites have the same, or most web pages of website have a footer and a header. So in this case, I already updated the navigation. I'm going to update next the footer. So the footer, for that, this theme comes with this option. So it says SCC options, and we're gonna go navigate to the footer settings. This one comes with these options. Like I said, unfortunately there are some limitations, but we're gonna just kind of look at them. So here is what you can see on the home page. So this is some of the things that you can see. Here is the logo. Here is the logo over here. So let's say we want to remove the logo, so we'll just click on remove, save changes, go back to the home page, and this white logo is going to disappear when I refresh the page. So I'm just going to reload, and you can see this is the default logo. But now I'm just going to add it back. I'm going to find the white logo, which is this one, select it, save changes, go back to the home page and refresh, and that's it. Now we can see the other logo. So the next is just the basic business information. So right here you can see a description, which is under the logo. So what we can do right now, like here it is, you can see the copyright text, which is right here, the copyright, and you can see some other stuff here. So you have layout settings. Like I said, every theme is different. So for now, I'm just gonna show you some of these options. This menu comes from the one of the menus. It's one of the menus, and we can go back there, and it says menus. We're gonna find the footer, then you can see this. So right now we're missing one page, so we're just gonna select it and we're gonna add it at the bottom of this. So as you can see here, it ends until organization and planning, but I wanted to I want to add this Alzheimer and dementia home care. So I'm just gonna refresh it. I'm gonna refresh it here too, and as you can see, it says Alzheimer and dementia home care. So those are some of the changes that you can make. And like I said, some of these elements are global and some of these elements are local. So the next step is I wanna change the slider. So for that, we're just gonna, we can click here, slider 1, or we can go to the back end, scroll to slider, and you will see right here, it says slider 1. So you just click on the slider. And right now you can see right here, it says transforming lives with personal care assistance. So, and this is, here's where the text, here's the visual, how it's gonna look, and here is the text, how it looks. You can select different modes. Right now we're looking at the desktop, which means, you know, this is how it would look on your computer, but you can select mobile. Then you see this one blue line, and you can see where the letters are going to be aligned. You can see the positioning and the alignment and all this stuff, which pretty much this is how it's going to look like this, exactly. So this is like a mobile view. For now, we're going to change the background image. As you can see right now, it's a lady holding another lady's hands. Then we're just gonna go back here, click on media, and instead of this image, we're gonna be using this image. All you have to do is insert, save, and refresh, and the image is gonna be different. So again, we're just gonna go back and undo the change. We want it to look exactly how we found it. So we're gonna save it. And here you can see that it says transforming lives. So let's go back to desktop. Let's change. Let's remove transforming. So I just want to remove transforming. Save it. I'm sorry. Delete. Save. And right now, as you can see, it says transforming lives. So when I refresh it, the background is gonna go back to the original, and transforming is gonna disappear. So I'm just gonna refresh it. As you can see, the image is the same, and lives is different. It's erased. So we wanna put it back and just save it and refresh, and now it's back to the page. There are some things that you can change, and you can always make changes to a website with the builder, either on the back end or the front end. So in this case, we're gonna change it in the front. So we can just click on edit with Bakery Page Builder. And this is gonna be more like a visual. You can see, and you know, there's a lot of stuff floating around, and it can be a little confusing. But so just so that you see it, it's gonna be fast. We're just gonna delete this one. And like I said, I wanna be able to show. So I'm gonna delete line number 9, organization and planning. So I'm just gonna save it, close, and update. Update is up here. So it says that successfully updated. We're gonna go back, refresh, and organization is gone. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna change again, save, close. Let's say you don't want this lady, so we just wanna click on this little icon, scroll, you can see the image. We're gonna erase it, we're gonna replace it with this one, Indianapolis. So you select it, you save the change, you close, you update. So now when I refresh, you're gonna see number 9 here, and the main image is gonna be a different one. So we're just gonna go ahead and refresh, and as you can see, number 9 is back and that image is gone. So we're just gonna put it back, and leaves this one, yes. So just replace, close, update, and most of the items here are gonna be in the same page. You can edit the page. Like I said, the navigation is not you cannot edit the navigation from the front or the footer. So those are two elements on this page that you can edit. So we're just gonna go ahead and update it. Okay, then we're just gonna go to the front. Let's find the page. It says personal care, and here's the same thing. We're just gonna edit the page. You can edit the page in the back end like this, and then here, so we're looking at this page, personal care, and here you can replace the image. Right now this is the lady. We're just gonna put this gentleman here, and save it and update. Now when I go back to the front of the page, you can see the lady. When I refresh it, it's just gonna be the gentleman. So there you go. And I'm just gonna put it back. And again, this is when it comes to web, just updating the content, there are different options. So you can do the back end, which is this one. If you see the sidebar right here on the left, that means you're in the back end. If you're editing in the front like this, that means you're in the front end. So again, so I'm just gonna update it. This is the back end. Now I'm gonna change up here. I'm gonna click on edit with WordPress Bakery. So this one is gonna give us a more visual. So it's the same, pretty much. You can replace the image of the lady, or you can update some of the content. So let's say let's erase this. So care assistance for now. Let's update. Right now we just remove this. When I refresh, this is gonna be gone. So there you go, care assistant. So, and I'm just gonna come back and I'm just gonna put it back, save, close, update, and just refresh, and it's back. So pretty much the same thing with everything on this page, except the footer, the header, and this is what is known as just the breadcrumb. So okay, this is all for now. I'm gonna keep adding videos, and just if you have a question, just leave a comment in the comment section. Bye.